Hello, today we'll see on how we can add a default constraint to a column in a table. First, let us create a temporary table. Called employee details. And this table has three columns. The first one is ID, which is of type integer, name, character, and department, which is also character type. Now, after creating this table, let's just say I'll just insert some dummy data into this table. Now, from the source or whatever may be the reason, when we are creating the employee details, we don't have the department details. So we'll just feed in only the ID and the name. Values 1 and Tom. And we'll add one more record where the ID is 2 and say Lisa. Okay. If I just execute all these at once, I'll just get the output from this table. So I have a couple of entries. One is Tom and one for the Lisa, where the department ID is null. But now let's just say instead of displaying it as null, I want it to be defaulted to some value, be it let's just say HR department. Let's just see how we can do that. What I'm going to do is I'll just go and drop this table, as we will recreate the table again with the default constraint. I'll just drop the table, and in the same create table syntax, I'll just, for the department, I'll add it not null value and a default as HR. So now what happens is, like, if we didn't feed in any value, every employee, like the employee, corresponding employee would go into the HR department, and subsequently they would redirect into the whatever the department he belongs to. Now if we execute this again, I'll just command this drop table using this execute command. Now you can see the department, if we didn't feed in any value, it has been default to HR. Now let's just see how, if we feed in another value with a department as sales and ID is 3, Dave. Okay, I'll execute this command, and then I'll again do a select on this table. As we can see, the third record, it has been like displaying what are the record we want. So this is like a pretty simple constraint, and but it works very well when we are loading data from multiple sources into a common data warehouse where we want to handle these default values. Thank you.